Welcome to our channel How to Tutorial Guide. In today's video, we'll show you how to download Forza Horizon 4 for PC absolutely free. Forza Horizon 4 is an incredible racing game, and we understand that not everyone may be able to purchase it. So, let's get started with the step-by-step process. Click on Windows Start button and go to Microsoft Store. Click on Gaming and type Forza Horizon 4 in the search bar. Click on Forza Horizon Demo. Now click on Get to download the game. Click on Install to install the game. It will take a couple of minutes. It depends on your internet speed how long it will take. And when it's ready, it's time to fasten your seat belts and let's race. I hope this step-by-step video helped you with how to download Forza Horizon 4 and PC for free, step by step. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content just like this.